In today's world, where the gap between the wealthy and low-income earners seems to widen with each passing day, the dream of building wealth might feel more like a fantasy than an achievable goal. Yet, the latest data tells a different story. Despite the challenges, including rising living costs and stagnant wages, a situation faced by many people, there are shining examples of individuals who have turned their financial situations around against seemingly insurmountable odds. Consider the story of a teacher from a small town who, on a salary that barely crossed the national median, managed to save enough to retire early. Or the tales of people who, despite earning less than $40,000 a year, have built impressive investment portfolios through savvy financial planning and discipline. These aren't just anomalies, they're testaments to what's possible. Recent surveys have shown that over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, with the percentage slightly higher among those earning under $50,000 annually. This statistic, while daunting, also highlights a vast potential for change. The key lies not in the size of your income, but in how you manage it. This introduction to building wealth on a low income is more than just a guide. It's a journey we embark on together. With clear, straightforward advice tailored to your financial situation, we aim to transform the daunting into the doable. By breaking down the process into manageable steps and integrating the latest financial trends and data, we're here to show you that the path to financial freedom is within your grasp. Let's explore how, even with a modest income, you can lay the foundation for a future of wealth and security. Living on a low income in today's economy isn't just a challenge. It's a daily battle with numbers that often don't seem to add up. The reality hits hard when you realize that nearly 40% of American households earn less than $50,000 a year, in an environment where the cost of living continues to soar. For many, this means that basic necessities take up a significant portion of their monthly income, leaving little to nothing for savings or investments. Imagine the story of Maria, a single parent working 2 jobs in a bid to cover her family's expenses. Despite her hard work, unexpected expenses like a car repair or a medical bill can set her back significantly, forcing her to choose between immediate needs and long-term financial security. This scenario is all too common and highlights the precarious balance many low-income earners must maintain. Moreover, with the average credit card debt for households that carry a balance hitting over $9,000, the challenge compounds. High interest rates mean that much of the payment goes towards interest rather than principal, creating a cycle that's hard to break. Yet, amidst these stark realities, there's a glimmer of hope. By understanding the landscape of personal finance today, recognizing the hurdles, and learning from those who've navigated them successfully, you can start to see a pathway through. The key lies in making informed decisions, prioritizing expenditures, and finding creative ways to stretch every dollar. Budgeting, often seen as a chore, is actually a powerful tool that can transform your financial future, especially when you're working with a low income. Recent statistics have shown that individuals who maintain a budget save approximately 20% more of their income than those who don't. This is a substantial amount, considering that the average American saves less than 8% of their income annually. Take, for example, Alex, a grocery store clerk earning just above minimum wage. By creating a detailed budget, Alex was able to identify unnecessary expenses, such as eating out and subscription services that were rarely used. This revelation allowed Alex to redirect those funds towards paying off debt and building an emergency savings fund. Alex's story is a testament to the fact that, regardless of income level, understanding where your money is going can lead to significant savings and financial stability. Moreover, budgeting can feel like a revelation for many. It's about making your money work for you, rather than you working for your money. With the advent of budgeting apps and online tools, tracking your spending has never been easier. These tools not only categorize your expenses, but can also offer insights into spending habits and suggest areas for improvement. Embracing budgeting is the first step towards financial empowerment. It provides a clear picture of your financial health, helping you make informed decisions about saving, investing, and spending. Remember, it's not about restricting your life. It's about taking control of your finances and, by extension, your future. In today's economy, debt is not just a burden. It's a barrier that prevents many from achieving their financial dreams. Recent studies reveal that the average American has approximately $90,460 in debt, encompassing mortgages, student loans, credit cards, and auto loans. This staggering figure highlights the critical need for strategic debt management, especially for those earning a lower income. Consider the journey of Jasmine, a public school teacher overwhelmed by student loan and credit card debt. By focusing on the debt snowball method, prioritizing the smallest debts first for psychological wins, then rolling those payments into larger debts, Jasmine found a manageable path to becoming debt-free. This method not only helped her reduce her debt load, but also improved her credit score, opening up new opportunities for financial growth. Furthermore, debt consolidation can be a lifeline for those juggling multiple high-interest debts. By consolidating her credit card debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate, Jasmine was able to reduce her monthly payments and pay off her debt faster than she thought possible. The key to managing and eliminating debt lies in understanding the options available to you and making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Whether it's adopting a debt repayment strategy, seeking professional financial advice, or utilizing debt consolidation services, the path to financial freedom is paved with knowledge and discipline. Remember, overcoming debt is not just about clearing balances. It's about reclaiming your financial independence and building a foundation for future wealth. In the unpredictable journey of life, financial surprises are not a matter of if, but when. A recent survey revealed that only 40% of Americans could cover an unexpected $1,000 expense, such as a car repair or emergency room visit, from their savings. This stark statistic underscores the critical importance of an emergency fund, a financial safety net that can help you navigate life's unexpected turns without derailing your financial stability. Take the story of Carlos, a dedicated father and retail worker, who found himself facing a hefty car repair bill. Previously, such an expense would have forced him to rely on high-interest credit cards, plunging him further into debt. However, after heeding advice on the importance of an emergency fund, Carlos had set aside a small portion of his paycheck each month into a savings account. When the unforeseen car repair arose, he was able to cover the cost outright, avoiding additional debt and the stress that comes with it. Building an emergency fund may seem daunting, especially on a low income, but even small, consistent contributions can grow over time. Financial experts recommend starting with a modest goal, such as $500, and gradually increasing it to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund acts as a buffer against life's uncertainties, ensuring that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Creating an emergency fund is not just about securing your finances. It's about peace of mind. Knowing you have a financial cushion can relieve stress and give you the confidence to face life's challenges head-on. In the realm of personal finance, investing is not just a luxury for the affluent. It's a crucial step for anyone aspiring to build wealth over time, regardless of their income level. Surprisingly, a recent survey found that only 55% of Americans own stocks, suggesting that a significant portion of the population is missing out on one of the most effective tools for financial growth. Consider the story of Alina, a high school librarian with a passion for literature and a modest salary. Initially, the world of investing seemed out of reach for someone with her income. However, after learning about the power of compound interest and low-cost index funds, Alina decided to start small. By investing just $50 a month, she tapped into the market's potential for long-term growth. Years later, Alina's portfolio has grown significantly, proving that you don't need to be wealthy to start investing. You need to be willing to start. Investing in your future also means considering retirement accounts like Roth IRAs, which offer tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. These accounts are especially beneficial for low to moderate income earners, as they allow your investments to grow tax-free, maximizing your returns over time. The key takeaway is that investing is not about timing the market or making quick profits. It's about time in the market. Starting early, even with small amounts, and consistently investing over time can lead to substantial growth in your wealth. Remember, it's not about having a lot of money. It's about making your money work for you. In a world where the cost of living seems to be perpetually on the rise, finding ways to increase your income is more important than ever. Recent data shows that over 44% of Americans have taken up a side hustle to cope with this reality, underscoring the growing need to diversify income sources beyond the traditional 9-to-5 job. Take, for example, the story of Ben, a graphic designer by day who discovered his knack for woodworking during his free time. Ben started selling his creations online and at local markets, turning a hobby into a lucrative side hustle. His story highlights the key strategy in increasing your income, leveraging your skills and passions to find new revenue streams. Moreover, the gig economy has opened up a plethora of opportunities for those looking to boost their income. From ride-sharing and delivery services to freelancing platforms offering tasks suited to a wide range of skills, the options are vast. For instance, Sarah, a teacher, began tutoring online in the evenings. This not only allowed her to help students but also significantly augmented her income, demonstrating how technology can facilitate new ways to earn. Investing in your education and skills development can also lead to higher paying opportunities. Many online platforms offer courses that are both affordable and flexible, enabling you to upgrade your skills on your schedule. Increasing your income is not just about working harder, but working smarter. By exploring new opportunities, investing in your skills, and leveraging technology, you can create additional income streams that bring you closer to your financial goals. Navigating the world of personal finance can sometimes feel like a solitary journey, but it's important to remember that there are resources designed to help. Recent developments in government programs and tax breaks offer a beacon of support for individuals striving to improve their financial situation. For instance, the Earned Income Tax Credit, EIC, is a significant benefit for low to moderate income earners, with recent statistics showing that it helped more than 25 million taxpayers receive over $62 billion in refunds. Consider the story of Lisa, a single mother working 2 part-time jobs to make ends meet. By taking advantage of the EIC and the Child Tax Credit, CDC, Lisa received a substantial refund, which she used to pay off debt and start a savings fund for her children's education. These tax credits are not merely numbers on a page. They are lifelines that can help pull individuals and families out of financial hardship. Furthermore, government assistance programs such as SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, and Medicaid provide crucial support for those in need, enabling them to allocate their limited resources to other essential areas like debt repayment and savings. For example, John, a recent graduate with a heavy load of student debt, was able to focus on his loan payments and avoid accruing interest by utilizing SNAP benefits during a period of underemployment. Leveraging these programs and tax breaks requires staying informed and proactive. By understanding the benefits available and how to apply for them, you can significantly enhance your financial well-being. Remember, these resources are in place to support your journey towards financial stability and growth. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.